So what you can do is how I created these two images. You may take any of your photo, maybe two photos, pictures of the same size, and then we will start with the first tutorial where I'll show you how this tutorial works first. So this is how it looks when I click on turn on the light and turn off the light. So this is first interesting tutorial that I want you guys to work upon. So what you need two different images. It can be of bulb, it can be your images, your family images. What you can do is you can create one. What you need to do, you need to create HTML. Within HTML tag you need to create body. You can get rid of header for now because we are not going to do much work upon it. And then you need to create two buttons, and then within that button you can create one image. So just do this quickly and then we will talk about it, how to put the JavaScript component to it. And then event, this button click is actually an event. When we are clicking on it, it is creating an event and then calling a JavaScript function which is actually replacing this image. But you will notice that while I'm doing it, right, so this is take the event and this is turning on and turning off, which is nothing, just replacing the image which is in between. So just create this quickly and let's construct it. First we have the HTML tag. It shows like this is an HTML document, and then we have the body tag. Usually you will find that JavaScript header and title comes between HTML and body, which is mostly the metadata related to this document. Then this is the button tag, which is used to create that button control over the HTML. And then this is the event name, which means when I'm clicking on the button, this document.getElementById will be invoked. And since I have provided this image name as my image and I have provided source as offbulb.jpg with some style component to it, then when I'm clicking or invoking this event, it is going to change the source of this element which it is finding from document.getElementById. So this is like how to get what element it is. So it is called DOM, and that's where you will first select the element in that DOM and you will replace its properties. So we are changing its properties and we are giving it some other name. And for users to understand, we have given it some label as well so that they should be able to correlate. So this is the coding part or the scripting part, whereas this is something to show to the user. Now I hope this is clear. This is providing the styling and the image by default when the first time page loads. So this will start with off bulb, and then let me show you how, what does it mean if I on this and if I refresh this. So you will see that first copy of this is always off bulb, and then the next event, which is to turn off the bulb, where we have the similar syntax written here. The only difference you will see that on bulb to off bulb when the other button is clicked, right? So any confusion on this, any question, guys? This is pretty much straightforward. Okay, seems like you are able to understand. Let's look at the basic construct. So this was to give you an idea what the JavaScript is and how it works, but there are some of the constructs of it, like what are the different DOM object, how to actually alert here. So we will learn basic syntax throughout this training program. One is, what is inner HTML? So to be able to replace content of any of the component where we have just picked up this my image, we can even say that we can completely remove this and update it with some other HTML. Even there will be not image, it will be something else. That is also possible. So for that, what we need to do is, let me just share another example. Let me share another example. What we are trying to do here,